Hey everyone! In today's video, I've got a cool tutorial for you. We'll be diving into how to add an awesome echo effect to your videos using the CapCut app. Let's jump right into it. Alright. First things first. Open up the CapCut app. If you don't have it yet, you can easily download it from the App Store. Once you're in, import and drop videos in the timeline that you want to add that sweet echo effect to. Now, tap on the video or sound file you want to modify. To add that echo effect, look to the top right corner of the screen. You will see you are already in Basic tab. Near the Basic tab, you will see Voice Changer tab. Click on it. When you click on it, you will see the three tabs will appear bottom of the Voice Changer tab. Of these three, click on the voice filter. When you click on it, multiple options will appear. In the options, click on the third option. That is echo. You can increase and decrease the quantity and strength of echo. Once you are satisfied, now it's time to check our video. Everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy tutorial on how to cut. You can see the echo effect have successfully added in our video. I think it adds a nice touch to the audio. And there you have it. Adding an echo effect in CapCut is that simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.